What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my 8th dividend payment with Amor Residential REIT. This is a monthly paying dividend company, and I'm very excited to talk about it in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been able to dig myself out of my $63,000 hole that I found myself in October of 2020, and now I'm doing a little bit better and I'm documenting my journey. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you my 8th dividend payment with Amor Residential REIT. What I'll have on the screen for you guys right now is my portfolio with Robinhood. So you guys can see that on the screen. I'm on the desktop version. This is live right now. The market is still open. Actually, it's after hours right now. And as you can see, I was all over the place today. So from the beginning of the time that the market opened, which for me is 8 o'clock Central Time in Houston, is pre-market. And then of course you see it's all over the place, up and down and so on and so forth. And right now I'm sitting at $245,000, which is pretty exciting. For the last year, I'm actually up in the last year $49,000. And let me just show you real quickly that I was down the negative 63,000 in October of 2020, and negative 63 on October 30th of 2020. Overall, I have invested in Robinhood since May of 2020, $241,000, almost $242,000. So I'm currently up a little bit because right now I'm sitting at $245,000. But all time on Robinhood, since I put 1 cent towards Robinhood way back in January 2016, I'm still down negative $1,200. But that's beside the point because I'm up since I started, like I said, investing again in May of 2020. All right, so I'm going to pull up Amor Residential REIT right here for you guys. And currently they're trading for $11.10, which is still below my average cost. My average cost is $11.80. You guys can see that over here. Overall, my total return, which I'm not happy about, is negative $629.62. So I'm currently down negative 5.93%. But that's beside the point because I'm getting these dividend payments, and hopefully this will continue to grow. It already has been growing and should continue to grow over time. And eventually I'll be able to, instead of reinvesting the dividend payments, I'll be able to take a portion of that and spend it, for whatever I want as far as my income is concerned. So I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys my most recent dividend payment. As you guys can see here, was on October the 1st, and it was for $89.11. Amor Residential at the time is paying 10 cents per share. You guys can see that here. And I had 891.10 shares, which got me $89.11. Because I have dividend reinvestment turned on, which is called DRIP on Robinhood, Robinhood went ahead and automatically grabbed some more shares for me. And at the time they did that on October the 1st, they were able to grab 8.21 shares, and it was $10.84. Right now, Amor Residential REIT is trading for $11.10. So that's pretty cool that they were able to grab some more shares for me, and it was at a lower cost than the stock is currently trading for right now. So that makes me feel pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you guys that this is my 8th dividend payment with Amor Residential. Let me just click on Show More. And then I'll click on dividends. And as you guys can see here, the first one was February. So March is 2, April is 3, May is 4, June is 5, July is 6, August is 7th, and then October is 8th. So once again, this is a monthly paying dividend stock, and I'm super duper excited about it. I will continuously upload these videos just because there's always new viewers, and I want to show you guys what's possible in regards to the stock market. I also am spending some time doing a little day and swing trading over on my Webull account, and I've only been day trading, swing trading Tesla As of now, I will probably mix it up just because I plan on doing this for quite some time. But as of now, I've been able to successfully day trade / swing trade Tesla and make some profits. So of course, I'll make those videos and upload them. So stay tuned for those videos. I already have some of those videos on the channel, as a matter of fact. Anyway, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.